guys, what's up? This is Ian from WAD, and in this moment I will discussing the one of the topic in general physics, which is the electrical conductors are those materials that conduct electricity. The basic example of the conductors is a silver. Silver is the classified as a transition metal. That is why this silver is considered as conductor. And the next is the insulator. Insulator is a materials that does not conduct electricity. And the example of this is rubber. Rubber is the materials that limit the transfer of heat and electricity. That is why rubber is usually used to protect against the threatening of electricity and heat.
Electric and magnetic phenomena find applications in many fields of physics and technology. The discovery of electromagnetic induction and the subsequent invention of electric generator and the motor had revolutionized the development of technology. Magnetism is a study of the relationship between electricity and magnetism. Its many applications include motors, loudspeakers, measurement instruments, and computers.
The application of electricity and magnetism. Electromagnetic phenomena are used in therapy also. Infrared therapy and magnetic therapy are widely used.
Now, when it comes to science, did you know that when the universe first started, it is electromagnetism drew protons and electrons together and created any matter in the universe?
Electricity is a form of energy resulting from the existence of charged particles such as electrons or protons, either statical as an accumulation of charge or dynamical as current.
The proper way to not detach someone who is electrocuted is to use something like a stick.
Electromagnetism is a branch of physics involving the study of electromagnetic force, a type of physical interaction that occurs between electrically charged particles.